This is a 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, side impact door beams, 3-point rear seat belts, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 57,000 miles. Not to mention that this Dodge qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.